Hello, my lovely Marshall blenders. How are you? Hello, how are you? So guys, today I'm going to be using I'm gonna read it for y'all. Ancient Rituals Rejuvenating Treatment Oil called Restore. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. And the cleansing hair treatment from Restore. Now this is from the same gentleman that had created Ojan. So this does actually have Ojan oil in it, which is wonderful. And the story behind it is that his mother was going to get treatment for cancer and she didn't want to lose her hair. So he went on a search to find things that were not being used, but that proved to be, how would you say, for thousands of years beneficial. So he went to the natives of different places. For example, this one says, I'm gonna tell you right now, it has oils and butters from around the world, featuring Tawira palm oil from Central America. My family's from Central America. Shea butter from Africa. Datello oil and Chiuri butter from Nepal. So these are different things that are formulated to create the Ojan oil, and his mother was able to preserve most of her hair during the treatment that she went through, and her hair is wonderful now. So I did use it on my sister. I didn't record that. I asked her if it'd be okay for me to record it next time. She said absolutely. She has very dry scalp and she gets little flakes. She gets patches of white. Can I tell you something? So I put it on. The instructions are you emulsify in your hand, you rub on the scalp and run through the hair, leave it on for 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes of doing that, what I wound up doing was I took the fine tooth comb and scraped her scalp, used it to exfoliate the scalp. And let me tell you, what came off of her scalp was so impressive. And then we washed it again. I had to redo the wash. It does say to wash twice. Then I used one cleansing conditioner. We also used Neutrogena's T-Gel shampoo for dandruff and flakes. And it was wonderful. So I'm waiting to hear results. So tomorrow will be her fifth day from when I washed it. So that's going to be the actual test to see how well it worked. And I'm going to wash her hair again either tomorrow or Sunday. So my cousin, though, I'm going to be washing her hair today, doing it with the Ojan oil. So we're excited. I asked her if it'd be okay for me to record. I'm going to record and you're going to watch. And I love all of you. That is a gray hair. I'm 41. Okay, guys, love you. Mwah. Okay, my lovely Marshall blenders, you're going to hear my cousin and myself speak about something called Xanthocin. It is a wonderful anti-inflammatory, but it has great benefits. Xanthocin. So it'll pop up as a little picture after we talk about it. You guys check it out. Love y'all. So I'm grateful. Yes, isn't it doing something though?
It is, because I don't wake up in full body pain.
Oh. I'm just saying, it works.
It's just my back, because I have scoliosis.
Yes.
So my back, since I'm laying in a position for such a long time, it irritates it.
Right.
So, but it doesn't hurt as much as it used to.
Yes. Yeah. Yes, and it was pretty much like quick, like within 3 days you felt the difference,
pretty
right?
Much, yeah.
Okay, so this is the Xanthocin, guys. I get it at GNC. So now this is actually the tweaked Restore. So it's TWEK''D. I get it through HSN. Wonderful deal. You emulsify, warm it up in your hand, and then the idea is that you rub it into the scalp and run it through the hair, which is what you're gonna see me doing here. And honestly, it does smell very good. It has a very nice smell. It's not an overwhelming smell. It's a good smell. And I will tell you, for the people who are natural, people who have natural hair, this is wonderful. It does actually do what it says, restore. It restores the hair. It also restores the scalp's health. So this is something I would definitely suggest to natural people, but I also suggest it for people who have colored hair, people who have very maybe a weak state of hair, and for what it's designed, people who may be going through taking medications or going through a stressful time like college or work, you know, where the hair tends to break because of the stress. This is something I would suggest for people to use. I love it. And so you see I scoop, it says a half a teaspoon, so I tend to OD, but so I use a half a teaspoon for about 2.5 parts and a half a teaspoon for another 2.5 parts of the hair, and then run it through. It's wonderful. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest. I'll be popping up in conversation, and some of the actual recording, I do let the sound, the audio play, because what was said was important or funny. Wow. Feels absolutely wonderful. Yeah, they are freaking awesome. I'm like, come through. And you should feel, your hair feels so soft. Like, so soft.
Like so.
Like, so soft. Like, oh my god. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Yes, girl, you know what? Do it, shake your hair, because we're going to be able to do it. Yes. I'm going to do a slow motion. Yes, I am. Yes. So, if you thought I wasn't, well, guess what?